my name is Silvia and today we're talking about powder. I don't know much about it, so we figured it out together. As we know, powder can press or loose each other, absorb oil from your face, hides all the structure that you want. They may have pigment in it or nuts, there's your choice. The loose one, which I used mostly, is more friendly for me. I use it at home or in places where I can dust it without any epiphany on consonants. You can adjust powder coating if you want or stay with the light layer. While pressed one is good for using out, it always have an applicator in it. It doesn't dust or crumble. We have considered the consistency of your product. We go to characteristics of it. Translucent powder can achieve light matte effect without any tint, absorbing your oil and hiding all the structure that you want. If you have a loose translucent powder, you can use it with your brush without any caking effects, especially for maturing skin. If it pressed translucent powder, it still can absorb oil from your face. It is more comfortable to use out. If you don't want to layer this product, you may use brush for applying it on your face. Your coating will be lighter than on the applicator, you know what I mean? Or you can use blow-in wipes if you have. You can use it even without makeup. You just apply wipe on the places that you want to absorb oil, and remember that isn't cleaning your face, it's just hiding greasy effects. Bright colored powder in your foundation or skin tone. You can use slightly lighter one under your eyes to make it brighter, but it has some specific. Colored powder better hides your pigmentation. How to find your skin tone? You can analyze your veins. If you have greenish veins, it's a warm tone. If you have blue or violet, it's a cool tone. Or if it all at the same time, it's a neutral tone. So if you have cool tone, choose powders with cool undertones that balance redness in the skin. Avoid yellow-based powders that can look off against cooler tones. Warm tones, look for powders with yellow or peach undertones that enhance warmth. Steer clear of overly cool shades that may clash with warm undertones. Neutral skin tones. Since neutral skin can adapt to both cool and warm shades, select a setting powder that balances the tone without leading too much in either direction. Setting powder fixes your concealer and cream products on their places and make it smooth. It's used during the makeup, not after it. The purpose of your powder usually is written on the packaging. Finishing powder aren't necessary. That can't use without setting powder. It can use in addition with it. Finishing powder can achieve smoothest finish that you want. Give some glow because it has some brightening particles in it. It's connecting everything together and use it after all the steps of your makeup. Where to apply setting powder? Under the eyes, on the concealer to fix these products on your face without any creasing. On the T-zone, on the forehead, on the nose and on the chin to absorb oil from these areas. Also on the cheeks if you have combination skin and cheeks is oily area of your face. All over your face if you have oily skin. Specific areas for especially baking effect when you have strong layer on places when you want to bright something, make your look sculpted. Maybe sometime it will be another video, and after it wipe out all of the excess of products. Where to apply finishing powder? All over the face when you want to connect everything together and blend in areas of the highlights because it have glowy particles. You can use it on the high points of your face, especially cheekbones and brow bone, for specific touch-ups when you have photo shoots or events when you want to make facts. When to use setting powder? Daily wear, when you want your makeup to last through the day. Performance makeup for events where you may sweat or when you have hot and humidity day. Photography, when you want to prevent makeup from fading and shifting. When to use finishing powder, final step after all of the steps of your makeup to make it blend well. Special occasions for a flawless airbrushed look. So I think that is all that I want to show you today. Have a good outfit and stylish mood. Subscribe to other my social media and